Watch me. Okay, guys, today I'm about to fix me a cream cheese cake. And you're going to need 4 ounces of Philadelphia cream cheese. You're going to need 3 sticks of butter, 3 cups of sugar, 6 eggs, 3 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and 1/4 teaspoon of almond flavor. And also I used about 2 tablespoons of regular milk. All right, make sure your cream cheese is room temperature and your butter is room temperature. All right, here we go. It's ready. You take your toothpick, stick it in. If it comes out clean, then you know your cake is ready. All right, it's ready. All we have to do now is let it cool for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to empty it into the pan. All right, guys, here we go. This one come out this time. And there we have it.
All right now.
Perfect cream cheese cake. Here we go. There it is, our perfect cream cheesecake. I did it, I did it, I did it. Oh yeah. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That's in there. It's all the way in there.
Maybe they had to go get
Oh, let the. You want to
because the
see it?
man who owns Popeye was there.
It'd probably be better to let it sit out there.
Well, with due to COVID, I wouldn't.